We're off to the beach. Now we're gonna video the walk with you. There's Paige and myself. Hold on, we're a little foggy. If you follow this path, you get to the beach very easily. We're not doing anything bad right now. Just walking. This walk is great. Great exercise. Come on. Hide your face, hide your face. Here's this pond, and we're gonna see the pool on our way. Still walk. There's the pond, and there's the pool area. Going over this bridge. We've been on the beach access sign. Come on. And we're running. So much fun. Hello. We're almost here. Going across the bridge. There's the ocean. Beautiful. And there's the walk to the beach. Thank you for watching this, I guess. I'm not really sure what to say. So,